Maybe with bad intentions and good vibes too. When I see you, it's like you got me living my fantasy, but this ain't no fake shit that you see on the magazine. When I see you, it's like you make my dream come true. A fine baby with bad intentions and good vibes too. When I see you, it's like you got me living my fantasy, but this ain't no fake shit that you see on the magazine. So tell me what you think about me. See, I'm that hood nigga with gold rings and baggy ass jeans. You might sit me and play, I ain't sister reinforced. I'ma take you, baby girl, and never ever show remorse. Lord, the way you move your hips and the way that you smile got me tipsy when you kiss me with them nice lips. Oh, mommy, you're my satisfaction. I can label you my dinner meal with no interactions. Come on, baby, when we bump, I'll always prefer a box 80s and a bottle of Patron. What's up? Yeah, maybe that's the thug in me. I never cuffed them, I just, that's why all this is loving me. So, baby, tell me what you like. I ain't in it for the long run, but definitely in it for the vibe. You can catch me off guard. I'm scaling back your cannon if you're free to do something. I'm the man for the plan. When I see you, it's like you make my dream come true. Fine, baby, with bad intentions and good vibes too. When I see you, it's like you got me living my fantasy, but this ain't no fake that you see on the magazine. When I see you, it's like you made my dream come true. Fine, baby, with bad intentions and good vibes too. When I see you, it's like you got me living my fantasy, but this ain't no fake that you see on the magazine now. Movie, just wanna go, but these hoes don't wanna lose me. It's crazy, but in the state of mind, it doesn't faze me. Willing to show you and let you into my entire life, baby. You the picture of perfection from your ear to your toes. Keep a nigga like me guessing, but I'm just wondering if you can chill. We can heat up them nonsense, me getting in my fist, baby, you're just so fine to feel something's close to me. Cause I might have to eat that booty like groceries. When I see you, it's like you made my dream come true. Fine, baby, with bad intentions and good vibes too. When I see you, it's like you got me living my fantasy, but this ain't no fake that you see on the magazine. When I see you, it's like you made my dream come true. Fine, baby, with bad intentions and good vibes too. When I see you, it's like you got me living my fantasy, but this ain't no fake that you see on the magazine.
Yeah, fine. We bring in a little bit of hip hop to the hood. See now, look, I see all the young people's ears tweaking like shanks and shivs, shanks and shivs. Nah, bro, wrong area. It's a Ngatihine, bro. We got tire house, midi. Let's keep it going.
Sure. I'm out to more lady, man. Yeah. See, I'm sorry, mom and dad, for the pain I put you through. Fucking turn back the time I do it now, and that's the truth. Cause remember when you used to tell me to get up and go to school. Had no intention on education and no time to lose. But at the same time, had to set a good example. I never want my siblings witnessing the shit I've been through. No, now it's time for me to be that role model. Not that little hoodlum on the streets selling bottles. I never paid attention to what they used to say to me. Should've paid attention on my people for me. But now you see, I got a whole lot of regrets and a lot of pain from the past that I need to get off my chest. Stuffed up the way it used to be. I had to go to school with no lunch, walking around with bare feet. Homie, it's stuffed up the way it used to be. Cause all I know is being broke, the struggles all I see.
This is my reflection, and it's time to right my wrongs.
So I apologize for the pain I've caused and all the grief and the trauma that it so please forgive me.
This is my reflection,
and it's time to right my wrongs. So I apologize for the pain I've caused and all the grief and the drama that led up to bad thoughts. So please forgive me. See, I've got some regrets and I made some mistakes, but all that it is in the past and that will never ever change. I reflect on my life, I look back sometimes and wonder what would happen if I had a normal life. Waking up to my parents making lunch every day instead of seeing them cuff being taken away. Now homie, as I grow up, I start to realize that all that shit my dad taught me would help me survive. It's about time I put the pieces to the puzzle, connect these dots and keep my ass out of trouble. Nan and Pop, you've been with me my whole life. It's time to right my wrongs, so I apologize.
and it's time to right my wrongs. So I apologize for all the pain I've caused and all the grief and the drama that led up to bad thoughts.
So please forgive me.
This is my reflection,
and it's time to right my wrongs. So I apologize for all the pain I've caused and all the grief and the drama that led up to bad thoughts. So please forgive me.
This is my reflection.
Thank you, everybody.
Everybody give it up for tourists, yo. Takes big photos to get up here and share. And they're 15, so we're getting them young so they can make all their mistakes up. How many swear words was there? None, see?
Auntie, he still gets paid now.
Ai, tēnā rā
Anyway, oh boy.
Ai, tēnā rā koutou e tātou mā koia rā ko o tātou nei rappers, me ki ko ngā rappers katahi anō ka tū. Ko rātou tau ono te kaumā ono te kaumā rima, they were only 15, 16 whānas. We've got to give it up to the brothers up there who stood up there. It's not easy to get up there on stage and start performing or rapping, you know, speaking or saying what you really feel. Anyway, here's our other brother. He's another rapper and a DJ. Ko tō tātou whanaunga kei runga I te whatarangi tēnei wā. Engari e tatari ana mātou kia tīmata. E tātou mā, there is smoke going down on the stage. We have a smoke machine going on the stage. Tamariki running around on the stage. Engari kia whakawhiti atu tātou ki tēnei o ngā kai waiata e homa mā mautonu mai. Ki te reo o te raki.
Class living now. Aren't we the ones that fall back? Travel around the globe when they thought it was flat? Damn, I think we caught in a trap. Cause these history books ain't telling all of the facts. Cause they label us mischief Māori while they eat the flesh out the ego Maui. And they suck the blood out of Papa where monetary gain is the main code, Papa. Just let them know we ain't taking no cocker. Just let them know they ain't rowing this walker. Not one more acre, that's what Finna said. And look what Finna led. It's time to occupy like we never left. Stolen land, goddamn, I wonder where it went. But until we unite, the fight will never end. And the system crumbles yet again. We signed documents, you ain't honor it. Lost confidence, dealt a bad hand, lost land as a confident. Took to more politics, now we dead broke, bet the kids gon' follow it. I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm a Māori in Aotearoa. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm a Māori in Aotearoa. Yeah. Ain't dug dirt in a minute, sowing seeds for the village. Kids think it's all a game, only see more killing, think we need more healing. Feeling there's a better way to treat our women. Stevie made me wonder, will they seek my vision? Wonder if I got the strength to beat my villains. Driven by the fact, gotta feed 5 chillins'. Ain't no chillin' back till I bring 5 million though. But still we living in poor conditioning. Ministers say the kids need more discipline. Raised with the minimum wage and the benefit. With doctors say the kids need more Ritalin. Smoking mirrors hide the bigger picture. Now, hold up, now, here's the kicker. Even if you earn your own, man, you're just a... I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm a Māori in Aotearoa. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm a Māori in Aotearoa. Yeah, yo, we signed documents, you ain't honor it. Lost confidence, dealt a bad hand, lost land as a consequence. Trick with more politics, now we dead broke, bet the kids gon' follow it. We signed documents, you ain't honor it. Lost confidence, dealt a bad hand, lost land as a consequence. Trick with more politics, now we dead broke, bet the kids gon' follow it. Right now I just want to acknowledge Alfano and Ihu Matao. Alfano over in Hawaii, Maunga Kia. Our whānau, our Indian whānau, over in America fighting the battle. Sometimes we feel like aliens in our own land. This is where we get strong. We should never feel like we're aliens in our own land. This is our house. I just want to acknowledge everybody else that's performed today. That's right, I'm the DJ as well. So. We just got a couple of more numbers. You know, they wanted me to be in the main event, but I said, I'll give it to Troy. That's too late for my nana, for full time. Baby's on my mind, so I grind full time. Pay dues, feeling like I'm due mine. And it's game over, blow the whistle like it's full time. Check it out, yo, yeah. Yo, I'm Māori man, so I love my cream. Fist in the car, catch a flip on the vibe. Watch me do my thing, don't trip on me, fly. Light the spliff, let's get high, let's toast. Raise a drink, it's the capper. Smooth rapper, about to bring the boom bapper. Turned a new leaf, about to start a new chapter. Had a man up without praising the pastor who's out to get more cash than cancer, so You can move if you wanna, or chill in the set where they use marijuana just to deal with the stress. And they got it, it's as real as it gets. Brothers giving up cause they're feeling depressed. Sisters still victim trying to deal with the stress. And I know it's hard when we dealing with death. System got us twisted, just kill for a sesh. That's the type of to make you feel it in your chest. You can see it in my eyes that I grind full time. Yeah, got that money on my mind, so I grind full time. Yeah, I pay dues, feeling like I'm due mine. And it's game over, blow the whistle like it's full time. Yo, and we do this so the kids believe it's true. That you can have it all, just believe in you. Against all odds, yeah, we can be the proof and prove that we ain't all just seedless fruit. And they can choose to see the truth or just lust for the evil's root. It's the final days, that's what people say. Damn, I wonder why the people pray. Cause man, it's murder. How we incurred is that. Never thought to take it further than the first step is just a hurdle. And I ain't perfect yet, but I take it on the chin just like a turtleneck, like I'm hungry. Like my mom spent the money at the pokies, think I'm joking, ain't a damn thing funny. So relieve the pain with that seasonal strain. Cause the cap is back with a backpack of rats you can bang like full time. Said my babies need a kite, so I grind full time. Yeah, we pay dues, feeling like I'm due mine. And it's game over, blow the whistle like it's full time. Yeah, yeah, and I'm so good, I'm so great. It's all love, I got no hate. Feeling richer than on Dole Day. Living in my bliss and chilling with my soulmate. Feeling like we made it, yeah, we done it. Against all odds, from the foot to the summit. Cause you can have it all and still feel nothing. But if you've seen the view from here, I bet you love it like the pressure's lighter than a feather. Guided by the stars, we surviving through the weather just to find out who we are and try to hide the scars. Drafting the stories that been hiding in your past, I'll admit it. Yeah, yeah, we did it. Now we like, it's no limit. Now they like, nah, we won't listen as we lose sight and drift in the distance. So it don't matter if you hate down, we'll stay down, feeling good like I'm James Brown. Have a system 6 ounces and them 8 pounds. Tummer been built for this. With a wit that'll kill you quick, I'm like full time. Baby's on my mind, so I grind full time. Pay dues and I'm feeling like I'm due mine. And it's game over, blow the whistle like it's full time. Yeah. Can I do one more? Yeah. I'm gonna do one more. Yeah, ain't nobody stopping me. This is our house again, sorry. I'm gonna play it like that. Big shout out to all the whānau selling food. Hope you made a good earn. Shout out to the rest of the crew. Flip, Naughty, Cow, Tees, brothers, our beautiful hosts. We stay winding, we stay grinding. Pedal to the metal to that, start shining. Yes, we've arrived, the threat is here finally. So we about to test the effects on society. Stacking dirty money, out to gain capital. Capital gain has got you trapped in the game. Mechanical slaves that behave like animals. Tricked to the trade, kept this way by national. Had to call a locksmith and cut keys, cause keys cuts deep and the scars are unseen. David and Goliath and I'm loading up my sling. Fighting for freedom but told there's no such thing. This is so obscene, you don't know what I mean. In the real world where no one dreams, governed by a system where no one's after wisdom. So much greed in the midst of him, no one wants to listen, but we straight out them gutters. Actually them trenches, palisades up and we're smashing through your fences. Now we in the booth, but only as a defendant. Guilty, and life just happens to be the sentence we found up in a hole, or drowning in alcohol, or crowded around a boat, or hanging down from a rope is where they found my mate. We paving another road, hoping we can save grace and save souls. It's that good takeover. Cats raised by solo mothers, no hope and no bludgeons, don't know no other. No money, no monarch, man, just broke fullers. Overweight, underpaid, man, bread, no butter, but we hustle up. Serve them next customer, about to expose the truth. It's all a cover up, ruled by the dollar and those that govern us. So don't tell me what's the up. Shout out whānau. Thank you very much. Peace, love.
Yeah.
Bless your day.
Everybody.